Welcome to Men, Idiots in Cars, a place where every reckless moment becomes a lesson carved in motion. Here the road reveals split-second choices, silent warnings, and narrow escapes. Settle and steady your breath and let these stories guide you. The minivan driver lost control while fleeing a hit-and-run, hitting two cars in a Brooklyn neighborhood. Reckless escapes raise serious risks. Drive responsibly. Reckless speeding pushes a Lamborghini into a parked car, causing heavy smoke to rise. One risky choice can escalate fast, slow down, and stay in control.
Mira, Carlos, mira. ¡Oh! ¿Lo has visto, Gordi? Eso es lo que le pasó a mi hijo. Eso es lo que le pasó a mi hijo. Dios mío de mi vida, ¿ves? Por favor. ¿Sí?
Two cars collided at an intersection, a sudden impact caused by poor yielding. Intersections are high-risk zones. Slow down, scan wide, and give way safely.
Eastern spur northbound at 15E blocks the left lane on the ramp for exit 15E. A couple of problems on the
A tire blowout sent a moving truck rolling and sliding a long-distance, turning control into chaos in seconds. Mechanical failures strike fast. Inspect your tires. The truck loses control while cornering and hits an oncoming car head-on. A brief misjudgment can turn dangerous. Slow your approach and stay steady. A truck struck a convoy and caught fire, triggering a blaze that damaged nearby vehicles and infrastructure. It's a stark reminder of highway risks. Stay alert and keep safe distance. Collision at an intersection sends a vehicle toward the sidewalk where a nearby post shields a passing woman. Small barriers can save lives. Approach crossroads with caution.
Get to Bill Farm. Island Horse.
Sudden collision between two cars shows how one brief lapse can shift everything. Dashcam shows a truck shifting lanes on the M3, striking another vehicle and spinning out. Heavy damage but no injuries. Sudden moves raise risk. Signal early and stay alert.
Where's the other?
A runaway tire struck her car a sudden roadway hazard. She escaped unharmed, a reminder that unexpected dangers can arise. Stay alert and drive defensively. A moving tractor loses a wheel, sending it rolling into nearby vehicles. Sudden mechanical failure can escalate. Instantly maintain distance and stay alert. Two vehicles overturned after attempting to pass a white car, losing control and sliding off the road. Risky overtakes escalate danger. Slow down and choose safe gaps. The truck driver fought to avoid nearby vehicles, steering hard to reduce impact and protect others. Skill and restraint matter. Choose safety first. Every scene you've witnessed on Men, Idiots, and Cars is more than impact and metal. It's a reminder of how fragile every mile can be. Take these moments with you, let them sharpen your awareness, and choose caution over chaos. Stay sharp, drive with intention, and if this resonated with you, like, share, and subscribe for more as we continue this journey together.